Hello everyone, this is Hemant Kumar Devre. I welcome you all once again. This is the third part of the video of lesson number 7 Urban Administration. In part 1 and part 2 we have learnt about different things like municipal corporation, ward councillor, committees, the function of municipal corporation, the functions of ward councillor and many more things. Now today we are going to learn about from where does the municipal corporation get money to get its work done, how people take help in the working of municipal corporation, garbage collection, the problems if the garbage is not collected. We are going to learn an example of Surat also. So let us learn together. We have seen different committees and here are some decisions that committees must take. Where should be a bus stand located? How should traffic be controlled in a crowded area? Where should be a hospital located? As well as, okay, how are these decisions taken? Now, all the ward councillors in a city from a councillors committee, they form a councillors committee. They are elected representatives of entire city from each ward. The ward councillors place their demands and their issues of their ward in front of the entire council. And then they collaboratively take the decisions whatever problems are there. What are the issues discussed by the councillors committee in the meetings of the municipal corporation? They discuss the following issues like improvement of bus stands, roads, bridges, etc. They also think about the cleaning of drains, collecting garbage, street lighting and many more things of whatever the problems are existed in their respective wards. Then how are these decisions taken? First of all, decisions taken by the councillors committee and are implemented by the administrative staff. Administrative staff are the appointed people. Okay, commissioner and the administrative staff are appointed people. The councillors are elected people. We need to think, according to you, what can be the demands of your ward? What can be the demands of your ward? There are many demands of ward. If they are facing water scarcity, that is also the demand. If they are having irregular supply of power, that is also the demand. Okay, so these all demands. Even also garbage is not being collected by the garbage truck every day, and it is collected by the trucks in different locality and not in their locality. That is also the demand. So all these demands they will keep in front of the ward councillor because they have elected him, right? So in accordingly they will go and they will discuss, and these are the problems, these are the demands of a ward can be. Okay, so let us learn about the different things like tax, from where does the municipal corporation gets money and more. How does the municipal corporation get its money? We are learning from textbook now. So providing and running so many services requires a lot of money. The municipal corporation collects this in different ways. Now, what is a tax? A tax is a sum of money that people pay to the government for the services provided by the government. Okay. Now, people who owns home, they have to pay taxes, and that is the property tax, as well as the taxes for water and other services. The larger the house, the more the tax. Property taxes, however, more okay. Property taxes, however, form only 25 to 30% of the money that municipal corporation earns. Out of 100% of the money that municipal corporation earns, out of that 25 to 30% is collected from the property taxes. Now there are also taxes for education and other services and other amenities provided by the municipal corporation. If you own a hotel or a shop, then you have to pay a tax for this as well. Also, if next time you are going to see a movie, look carefully at your ticket, because no, if you are going to watch a movie next time, so look carefully at your ticket. You will find, because there is also tax we have paid for that. Okay, thus while rich people account for property taxes, a much wider population pays more general taxes. We have to pay water tax, electricity and all the many services provided by that the government, municipal corporation, all the taxes we need to pay. Let us move ahead. Here in the picture you can see recycling is not a new thing. People like man in the photo above have been recycling paper, metal, glass and plastic for a long time. The kabadi wala, the scrap merchant, we say like that, the people those who collect the scrap and all, plays a major role in recycling household plastics and paper, including your notebooks as well. Okay, so this was the thing. Now, what is community protest? This community protest is another example explained by Yasmin Khala to the children, because they were asking different questions and Yasmin Khala have to answer their uh, questions, and they were satisfied as well, children. Now, here is a story given of Gangabai. Okay, the women, they were unhappy with the situation, and even they came for the advice to Yasmin Khala, and Yasmin Khala told to them that okay, I'm working in municipal corporation, so I will talk to them and they will look. But what happened, she better suggested to them that Gangabai was one lady from that group. She told to them that why don't we tell this problem, whatever problem they were having. I'm going to tell that also. Why don't we tell to our representative elected ward councillor, because we have elected them. Now their problem was the thing that garbage was not collected from that area regularly, and they found that in rich locality, the garbage truck regularly goes and collect the taxes. Now this is actually a discrimination. This should not happen. So she thought and she explained to the Yasmin Khala this problem, and then Yasmin Khala suggested, they also, the ward councillor, they went, and then ward councillor suggested them that okay, you do one thing, find petition of adults, you collect the signatures of adults, and then this will help me to put in front of this municipal corporation, the mayor. Then also he promised to the people that I will also go with the help of the sanitation engineer of that area, and then he will also come with me. Okay, and we will both will talk to the commissioner, and then the situation will okay. Then that evening, all children of that area, they ran from house to house, and they collected as many as the signature could be obtained to submit that petition. What happened then, next morning, a large group of women and the ward councillor and the sanitation engineer, they went to the commissioner's office. The commissioner met to the large group, and they began to he began to giving the excuses, saying that the corporation did not have enough trucks to collect the garbage from each and every area. But Gangabai was one of the ladies. She smartly replied, "But you seem to have enough trucks to collect the garbage from the rich localities." Now that must have left him lost of the words. He would have kept quiet. Then he quipped, Jog. Then Jahangir said he quipped. This was the question asked by the Jahangir. Yes, he said that he would take care of it immediately, and Gangabai threatened that if it was not done in 2 days, a large group of women would protest in front of the corporation. This was the uh, this was also told by Gangabai to them. Yes, said Yasmin Khala. So did the streets get clean? Children were asking within 2 days and all. Well, then Yasmin Khala was explaining. Well, not within 2 days, and then another larger and more noisy protest and sanitation services in this locality became more regularly. What happened after 2 days? The promise was done. After 2 days, that thing is not going to happen. So they again went with the great protest, and then within that regular, after that, the regular facilities has been started. Okay, now we can see. Let us learn about one example of if the garbage is not being collected, what will happen. Okay, in city of Surat, they had plaque scare in 1994. Surat was one of the dirtiest cities in India till now, 1994. Houses, hotels, and restaurants would dump their garbage into the nearest drain on street, and which made it very difficult for sweepers to collect and transfer the garbage into the selected dumps. In addition to this, municipal corporation did not collect the garbage as often it should have. Okay, and this led to the situation getting worse. Plague spread through the city, and you know that is spread through the air. People who have the disease, they have to be isolated. In Surat, several people lost their lives, and over 3 lakh deserted the city. The scar of plague ensured the municipal corporation completely cleaned up the city. Surat continues to remain one of the cleanest cities in India now. Now there is a question: do you know when and how often garbage is collected in your area, in your neighborhood? Do you think it is the same for all neighborhoods of the city? If yes, it's very good. If not, then why? You need to discuss the question. So this was the lesson where we have learned about many things: municipal corporation, ward councillor, mayor, commissioner, administrative staff, their functions, tax, what happened if the services are not provided, and how we can get the services to be provided to us. So all these things will help you to learn about the urban administration. I hope it will help you. Definitely, you keep your textbook with you to relate the topics. Thank you so much.